For all women who desire to have children of their own, please concentrate intensely on the eyes of this psychic. Hear the story. So concentrate on the eyes of this woman. I'll read you. This story is of this paper was moved from is of the Mirror, Saturday, June 8th, 1996. And what is it? Don't look into this woman's eyes unless you want to be pregnant. So those who have enough children, don't look at the eyes, otherwise you'll be pregnant. So women, childless women, please look at the eyes, concentrate on them, and hopefully, by God's grace, in months you should be pregnant. Let's read on. Don't look into this woman's eyes unless you want to be pregnant. Good. There's a baby boom in Bulgaria. And amazed doctors say it's all due to the dark, mysterious eyes of psychic healer Dr. Radka Kecheva. Full stop. Paragraph. After gazing into Dr. Radka's eyes, 1,846 women have given birth in the last 15 years. That is a new baby every 3 days. That's a new baby every 3 days. Many born to women who had been told by medical experts that pregnancy was impossible. The amazing child-creating power of the healer's eyes has worked even for women who simply look at her picture. So this is the picture I'm presenting to you. She reveals. So, unless you want a baby, cover up her photo while you are reading this. Dr. Radka, an MD, sees childless women 4 days a week in her 3-room office in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. The desperate ladies stare into her eyes for about 2 minutes. And they typically become pregnant in just a few short weeks. So I mentioned months because probably time has gone and it may take a longer time. In a few short weeks. I have failed only 3 times, says Dr. Radka. Twice when the women were in menopause, and once when a woman had undergone a complete hysterectomy. Of course, we are in menopause, you will not give birth, so he's using the power of God. And if your womb is removed, how can you give birth? But probably for desperate women who pray, God can intervene. Dr. Radwa, 41, told the Enquirer. Then, I don't know how it works, but it works. Dr. Sveshinoza Stratev of Plovdiv Hospital has personally witnessed her outstanding powers, he told the Enquirer. So this is the testimony of a doctor, gynecologist, that he cannot tell how it works. Okay. One of my patients, Vanya Bahevanska, tried for 3 years to get pregnant but failed. She had chronic inflammation and blockage of the ovaries. I was sure she could never become pregnant. I even advised her to quit trying and adopt a child. This is a gynecologist talking, this expert talking. But then Vanya visited Dr. Radka, and now the 29-year-old housewife is the proud mother of a 4-year-old son. It's a miracle that she had a baby. Radka is astonishingly, declared Dr. Stratvev. Radka is astonishing, declared Dr. Stratvev. So that's the gynecologist saying that the psychic doctor is astonishing. Paragraph. Anelia Quaniva, 34, was heartbroken after unsuccessfully trying to get pregnant, but 8 years to get pregnant for 8 years. She underwent surgery to clear blocked fallopian tubes, but even that didn't help. Paragraph. Then a friend told me about Dr. Radka, and I visited her. And just 3 months later, I was pregnant, said Anelia. My little boy, Tushko, is now 6. Thank God for Dr. Radka. Anelia's gynecologist, Dr. Peter Pivkov, told the Enquirer, Radka is making miracle babies where medical science has failed. She triumphs. That's another doctor, or is the same doctor, I don't know. She succeeded with Maria Nukolva, 35, who was diagnosed with deformed fallopian tubes and only a quarter of an ovary functioning, but now has a 3-year-old son. She also helped Volka Nukolovia, who had an ovarian cyst and a blocked tube, but got pregnant at 43 and has a 1.5-year-old daughter. The oldest woman who has become pregnant in my practice is 43, Dr. Radka told the Enquirer. So this is the psychic talking, that the oldest man among those who came to him was 43 to be pregnant, to get a child. She and her engineer husband, Boris, have 4 children of their own. The doctor, who's been on crutches since she partially paralyzed in an automobile accident, charged no fee for her service. In other words, she got this psychic power after an accident where she was partially paralyzed. You come to her, she doesn't charge anything, she lets you go. But grateful patients usually insist of making a small donation or give Radka her favorite treat, a box of chocolate. She doesn't charge much. You come, she won't charge you. If you know that she loves chocolate, just get her a box of chocolate and that's okay. What a wonderful woman. What a kind woman. The doctor, who's known for years that she's psychic, discovered her power to help childless women while trying to use her gaze to cure other medical problems. In other words, she knows the psychic power was Jinn, but she didn't discover that it would. But later on discovered that it could help childless women have children. Paragraph. When my female patients started becoming pregnant, no one was more surprised than I. So she herself was surprised. She told the Enquirer, my gift is a blessing from God. So that is it. That is the paper, viewers. I am not saying it. So women who are desperate for children, just pray and concentrate on the eyes of Dr. Radka. And God willing, you will have your child. So you see, the eyes are described as dark eyes. This is a lady. From the picture, you cannot even tell it's a woman. So viewers, good luck to you all, and may God bless you. Please share. Who knows? Maybe you won't message me, but maybe the same paper at the same platform, YouTube, you will come after months or a couple of years to testify that you gazed at her and you got pregnant. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. May God bless you.